let me question you. Okay.
What's the question?
The question for if you were to deliver a package to Briggs Galliano, what will you deliver? To answer that question in 1 minute, answer.
I will give something to the person. My favorite creator will be Mug because he needs to be a member of their business, which should be the Luxury Coffee. And I thank you.
We will announce the top 3 winner. Top 3 winner. Mr. Damon Pineda. Top 2. Mr. Briggs Galliano. Top 3. Full word yun, hindi ko pa natatawag.
I'm the bottom 4. Bottom 4?
Marjon Ricamara. We will present the evening gown of the top 3. Evening gown.
Ay, evening gown! Aray ko! Teka! Wala! I don't want any question anymore. Wow!
Gab. Paano ka bukas?
What if?
Naka-coat.
Asa ko?
Takap.
Ayaw.
Pangalan niya MC ka, nakakatakot ka. Hindi.
Grabe natin mo siya sa akin mo.
Aray ko!
May nakasili.
Walatin ko! It's 2024 became to an end.
Pinost ko na may
Blooming Cebu.
Ah!
Naka-talk air.
Oh, yes.
Fight! Ayan na.
Ay, kami ko ah!
Ay, Marjon! May tatanong.
Oh, nanghihina.
Anong ratings sa Scorpio next year?
Hindi ko alam.
Ba't sabi mo nakaraan misunderstanding?
Baka.